Hi, my name is Ismay Riley, and I'm going to be playing Redbird. Redbird. Closing your eyes doesn't help me.
Oh, what do you want me to do?
Open your eyes.
Okay. Where do we look?
Right at my eyes.
Okay, we'll try that.
And make faces.
Okay, I'll make faces. Like what kind of faces?
Silly
Show me
faces.
one to. Show me one. Okay. Okay. Right. Go.
Hi, my name is Ismay Riley, and I'm going to be playing Redbird. No repeat.
How was that?
Good.
Was
That was
success?
really bad.
How was I?
I said no repeats. I only
I
messed up when
tried.
you did repeats.
Okay, so that's my fault.